wig, and this unit, I'm looking down because I'm looking at the details while I'm speaking to you. It is silky in texture. It is 18-inch, and I did get the color same as pictured in the in the product info when you go on the website. I'll have the link below. It's my lace is medium brown, and this cap is actually a 13 by 4 lace front wig. What else? What am I forgetting? Can't really tell because you'll be able to tell in the video, but this was a deep hair plucked hairline. I myself could not tell the difference based on my experiences with the wigs. However, doesn't change my opinion whatsoever. I still love this wig. This wig is meant to last 6 to 12 months if you take care of your wigs. Let me see. This wig is also from the affordable line, so it's a little cheaper than the other wigs on My First Wig page. This hair is not Malaysian. It is Indian Remy. I will have the exact details below. It is not on my paper, but this is what I'm reading from. So let's just get into this install so you guys can see what I mean.